Well, I'm 18 years old now. And I guess it's safe to say I've been around the block. I've seen a lot of stuff. Seen it all in my day. Seen hairballs the size of basset hounds. I've taken down mice as big as bears trying to make off with a whole storeroom full of cheese. I defended my homeland in the Great Dog Invasion in '98. We lost a lot of good cats that day. Now that I'm in my older days, I can't rely only on myself anymore. Part of staying a stone-cold warrior is eating right. I'm a cat, not a circus animal. That's why I demand the best. That's why I demand Friskies.